Hyundai Tucson 2016 diesel, 1,685 cubic centimeters. Rear drum brake setup. This clip shows the rear brake shoe setup on a Hyundai Tucson, giving a clear look at how everything sits once it's assembled. It can be handy for anyone working on their own brakes and wanting to see the layout and positioning of the components before putting everything back together. Just a quick visual reference to help show how the rear brake shoe setup looks in place. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.